Hi everyone, I'm here in the lab at Peacemarsh where all the magical formulations happen, and I'm going to be talking with the product development manager, Fran. What does organic certification mean in beauty?
Organic is a buzzword. People think organic, they think green, they think pure, they think clean. But organic is all about farming, it's all about the soil. It's about how ingredients are grown without any chemical pesticides or herbicides in a way that's good for the planet, good for wildlife, animals, the climate and people. At Neal Remedies, we strongly believe in using an independent certification body to certify our products to make sure consumers have the peace of mind that basically they're getting what they're paying for. Looks at the processes from the very beginning to the very end. So we're not just looking at raw materials, we're also looking at manufacturing processes, packaging, the way that the factory's cleaned, as well as the raw materials and ultimately the formulations. As we're all looking towards a more sustainable way of eating and using beauty products, new technologies are really being invested in. Biotech definitely increases our ability to buy actives that have been created in a more sustainable way, and green chemistry really driving any kind of sustainable formulating to the future. It's really very positive.
What are the benefits of choosing organic for your skin?
You've got to remember that organic ingredients are grown without any synthetic chemicals, without any pesticides or herbicides. So you're getting raw materials that are really good for the climate and for the planet to start with. But in terms of on your actual skin, organic ingredients are really rich in vitamins, in minerals, in antioxidants. And so they are always going to work really well with your body's natural processes to help the skin and your body in general.
I just wanted to show you 5 of my favourite plants that we grow here that are good for biodiversity, for our special bees, our amazing pollinators, and also great for your well-being.